3 ways how to open a locked iPhone without computer or password. If you found yourself locked out of your iPhone and don't have a computer or the password, don't worry. Today I'll show you 3 ways to unlock your iPhone. So let's get started. The first method is using Apple's Find My feature. If you've enabled Find My iPhone, you can unlock your phone remotely through iCloud. Simply go to iCloud.com in any browser, or you can also use the Find My app on another device and simply log in with your Apple ID. Go to Find My phone and you can unlock your phone remotely if you've enabled Find My iPhone. Just log in with your Apple ID and select all devices. Select your locked iPhone and simply click on Erase iPhone here as you see. This will wipe all data from your device, allowing you to set it up as a new and create a new password. Method 2 involves Siri. This trick works if there's a vulnerability in older versions of iOS. While the iPhone is on the lock screen, simply say "Hey Siri" and ask any question like "What's the time?" Then tap on Answer and simply swipe up or press the home button. You may be able to access some apps and bypass the lock screen temporarily. Note, this method only works on some versions and may not be reliable on newer iOS updates. Finally, you can use recovery mode. This method will require you to erase the device, but it can be done without a password or computer. To start, turn off your iPhone and press the volume down button while connecting it to a charger. Hold the button until the recovery mode screen appears. Then follow the on-screen instructions to erase the device and set it up again. And those are the 3 ways to unlock your iPhone without a computer or password.